Welcome to This Explainer. Okay, today we're embarking on a massive cosmic detective journey. Seriously, if you love piecing together epic billion-year-old histories from just a few faint ancient clues, you are absolutely in the right place. We're going to be looking at one of the most fascinating structures in the entire universe to figure out how our cosmos is actually built.
So think about this for a second. How exactly do astronomers uncover billions of years of history hidden up there in the night sky? Because, well, when we look up, we're really only seeing a frozen snapshot, right? It's kind of like trying to read a giant cosmic book when you've only been handed the very last page. But the answer? It actually lies in an often invisible region of space that surrounds everything we can easily see.
Section 1. The Cosmic Connection. Okay, let's dive right into this. To solve the ultimate mystery of galaxy evolution, we actually have to look outward. We have to look away from those bright, glowing centers of galaxies and focus on the galactic halo. It's a bit of a balancing act. On one hand, you've got visible astronomy. You know, the stars and the glowing gas that our telescopes can easily capture. And then, on the other hand, you have cosmology. That's the massive, overarching, billions of years long story of how the universe changes over time. And the galactic halo? Well, it acts as the crucial bridge connecting the astronomy we can physically see with those massive, invisible mechanisms of cosmic evolution. Section 2. The Historical Archive. Because the halo acts as this bridge, astronomers essentially have to become cosmic historians. Our source text highlights this really profound concept, stating that the galactic halo literally acts like a historical archive. It isn't just a bunch of empty void out there. No, it's a meticulously kept record of the past. Pretty much everything that happens to a galaxy leaves a footprint right there in the halo, just waiting for us to read it. Section 3. Preserving the violent past. Now, what's really interesting here is wondering what exactly is locked away inside this massive archive. Well, the halo preserves three distinct, honestly incredible clues: evidence of ancient stars, past collisions, and hidden mass. Each one of these is basically a key to a completely different chapter in a galaxy's epic biography. So let's break this down and start with that very first clue. By closely examining the halo, we find undeniable evidence of ancient stars. Now actually, scratch that. These aren't just ancient, they are the absolute oldest stellar remnants we can find. We're not talking about the bright, young, flashy stars being born right now in the busy galactic center. These are the ancient ancestors. They're the earliest generations that got pushed out to the deep, dark outer edges, and they reveal exactly what the galaxy looked like right at its birth. But the archive also holds a much more violent record, and that is past collisions. Because, as it turns out, galaxies do not grow in polite isolation. They crash, they smash into each other, and they merge. And these incredibly violent interactions leave ripples and debris scattered all throughout the halo. This allows astronomers to basically reconstruct the massive cosmic traffic accidents that built the galaxy in the first place. Section 4. The Hidden Mass Mystery. So the crucial point here is this third element, because it completely changes everything we know about galactic function. We're talking about hidden mass, often understood through the framework of dark matter. This invisible stuff doesn't just sit there passively. It actively dictates galactic behavior. The movement of visible stars, and honestly the very gravitational glue holding the whole shebang together, are fundamentally driven by this unseen mass hiding out right there in the halo. Section 5. Assembling a galaxy. And this brilliantly illustrates the big picture. When we pull all these amazing clues together, the ancient stars, the collision debris, and that mysterious hidden mass, we finally start to understand the complete assembly of a galaxy. Because of this incredible archive, astronomers can literally map out an entire timeline. They can see how galaxies were assembled starting billions of years ago, tracking all the way through a totally violent history of collisions, and bringing us right up to the modern, structured galaxies we observe today. It's like putting together a giant cosmic puzzle. So as we wrap up this explainer, I want you to ponder this the next time you look up at the night sky. Every single galaxy out there is wrapped in its own invisible archive, holding tightly onto ancient stars, the wreckage of past collisions, and this unseen mass pulling all the strings. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What kind of hidden ancient history is shaping our very own galaxy today? Thank you so much for joining me to unpack this cosmic archive. Keep wondering, keep looking up, and I will see you in the next explainer.